So let's say that you've been out of massage school for a while. This video is for you. You've decided that you want to finally take that massage and bodywork licensing exam and go ahead and apply for your professional license as a massage therapist. But you don't know when to start studying versus when to apply for the massage and bodywork licensing exam, because it is a process, and I'm going to go through and tell you about how it works and give you a little bit of an idea of how to time studying with the application process. So the first thing to cover is you have to have completed a massage program in order to apply for the massage and bodywork licensing exam. When you go through to do the application process, you're going to input the contact information for the massage program that you went through, and the Federation of State Massage Therapy Boards, which governs the massage bodywork licensing exam, will verify with your massage school that you actually completed the program. So you have to have completed the program and have the contact information, phone number, email, address, anything that you can put in, anything and everything that you can put into the fields in the application of how they can contact them will help you along the way. So just to clarify, the Federation of State Massage Therapy Boards is like a group that has created this exam as a gate that you need to go through, that 42 states of the United States have decided that this exam is going to be the standard for a professional massage therapist. So that's what this governing board does, is it's like, here's the gate. You went through massage school, which means that you have had the proper education. Then you take the exam to prove that you can be a professional. And then the individual state will take the passing of that exam and say, okay, this person can be allowed out into the world as a professional massage therapist. That's why this Federation of State Massage Therapy Boards exists. It's like, we are the gateway to allowing massage therapists out into the world, to make sure that they have a basic standard of professionalism and education. So you pay $265 to the Federation of State Massage Therapy Boards for the application. The representative from the Federation of State Massage Therapy Boards contacts the school, the massage school that you went through, and gets the approval, thumbs up, you passed, you got through the program. So they're like, okay, cool, you paid, you got the approval. So they send you this thing that's called an authorization to test, and it gives you 90 days in order to take your exam. So if you don't feel confident and you need to postpone that exam within that 90 days, you have to start over again and pay $265 again. You can't just keep postponing it ongoing forever. You got that authorization to test only lasts 90 days. After 90 days, you have to start over. So this is why I want to just explain that process to you, because if you think you need more than 90 days to study, then you should wait to apply for the MBLEx until a few months into studying. I think 3 months is plenty of time to study if you've been through massage school. I think that 3 months is plenty of time to get your studying done and take the exam. Some people just if they give themselves 6 months, it never happens. So remember that. So what happens is, when you're ready, you get your authorization to test, and then you take that special code that they gave you, and you get on the website for Pearson VUE. That's the name of the company that administers the test, and it has all the security, and it runs the computer programs. So you schedule the test using that authorization code that says that you're approved to take that exam. And so you schedule it up, and then you'll do the last of your studying while you're waiting. I would do something like study for 2 months, apply for the exam, schedule the exam a month ahead of time, and spend the last month going over everything again to make sure I have it dialed in. And I would spend the last 3 days relaxing so that my mind is settled down before I take the exam. That's how I would do it if I was starting over. Remember that when you apply for the MBLEx and you're waiting for your authorization to test, just because you applied doesn't mean that you're going to be approved. And sometimes it can take several weeks to a month, depending on how hard it is for the Federation of State Massage Therapy Boards to contact your massage school. It might have been a long time since you took that program. So it might take a while. So be patient about that process. So that's important to remember. But your 90-day window doesn't start until you get your authorization to test. So keep that in mind. For me, it took less than a week to get my authorization to test because I was actually still in my massage program when I applied. Now, once you've gotten your approval and you've scheduled your exam and you feel good about how you're studying, but something comes up or you just feel like you need a couple extra weeks, you still have plenty of time in that 90-day window. You have several months in that 90-day window. You can reschedule up to 3 days before. It used to be $25 fee to reschedule up to 3 days before your scheduled exam. In the last 24 hours before the exam, it's $50 to reschedule. So that's something to keep in mind. And if you miss the exam, you have to start over, $265 for another 90-day window. I just want to reiterate, if you've been out of massage school for a while and you don't feel confident about what is going to be on the exam, then don't schedule it right away, or you're gonna lose it, right? You're gonna have a lot of test anxiety. But if you wait too long, that increases the anxiety too, and you're just gonna not ever take it. So applying for the MBLEx and scheduling the appointment really gets you going. It really gets you motivated to finish up that studying. And it's like, here's my deadline. I'm going to take it. And I invested $265 into it. So it's finding that sweet spot is really important. So remember my guidelines and, considering what resources you have on hand and the way your life is, just to consistently devote 3 months to studying and schedule your exam at the beginning of the 3rd month. So I like that sweet spot. I do have a 30-day refresh course. So if you've been studying for several months and you feel like you've covered everything, you go through and apply for your exam, you get the approval and you schedule it for a month ahead of time. You got 30 days. You can take that 30-day MBLEx refresh course that will run you through everything that you need to know on a real quick level, just to refresh everything in your mind. And that's a really great study strategy as well. But yeah, give yourself more time if you either barely passed massage school or you don't feel confident. It's been a long time. Just give yourself the right amount of time so you don't panic. Well, so that's going to be it for this video. I just wanted to go through and talk about a good strategy for those of you who have been out of massage school for a while. And make sure and check out all the other resources that I have for you in a link in the description below, and in the pinned comment, you'll find all kinds of stuff for studying. I've been working on curriculum for a year now, and I'm continuing to produce more curriculum every week. And then, like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Toodaloo.